Hello and welcome. So today we are going to see how to install the Faddism app in your Android device. First you have to open the Play Store and then type the name Faddism. Faddism. And then search. You will find the app, the first one. Just click on the app and install. The app is downloaded now and it starts installing. Wait for a while to complete the installation. Now your app is installed on your phone. You just need to click open now to use the Faddism fashion in India. Thank you.